From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, July 29th. Well, August is going to kick off very typical of the dog days of summer. In fact, we are going to be in a quintessential pattern for early August late this week through the upcoming weekend with a near daily chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, high humidity, and temperatures around the 90-degree mark pretty much every single day. So let me jump right on into things here and start by taking a look at the GFS model for 2 p.m. on Thursday. And what you'll notice here is that disturbance that brings some showers and storms to our area from Tuesday into Tuesday night and possibly even Wednesday morning has exited the eastern seaboard. But you'll notice this second disturbance moving into the Great Lakes region and the Ohio Valley. So we'll be sandwiched in between disturbances on Thursday. Both the GFS and the European models agree on this. So that spells hazy, hot, and humid conditions Thursday afternoon with partly sunny skies, highs generally in the low to mid 90s, dew points around the 70-degree mark, and that will mean that heat indices will be in the mid 90s to perhaps 100 degrees Thursday afternoon. So make sure to stay hydrated, wear light-colored, loose-fitting clothing, and drink plenty of non-alcoholic beverages to stay hydrated. But as we move into Friday, well, what you'll notice here is that disturbance that was over the Great Lakes region on Thursday has now moved into the mid-Atlantic states, and that will probably trigger scattered showers and thunderstorms Friday afternoon into Friday evening. Both the GFS and the European model agree on this, but it'll still be very hot and steamy on Friday with highs in the upper 80s to perhaps low 90s. You'll notice that the GFS takes that system and progresses it eastward more quickly than the European model here on Friday. So as we move into Saturday, the GFS suggests that, most of that energy is already to our north and east. There still would be the chance for a few isolated showers and storms on Saturday, but they would be less widespread than on Friday. However, the European model still suggests that the center of that low pressure system is back over the Ohio Valley, and we're still ahead of that. So that would spell another round of scattered showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. So, this is very typical of the dog days of summer. Trying to time each one of these individual disturbances more than about 2 to 3 days in advance is very difficult, and really trying to say whether or not we'll experience any severe weather is also difficult more than 2 to 3 days in advance. So you'll just have to follow along throughout the week and later this week to really see what the exact timing of these disturbances is going to be. But for now, essentially, there'll be a near daily chance for showers and storms Friday, Saturday, even perhaps into Sunday, with this disturbance moving into the Ohio Valley and the mid-Atlantic states. You'll notice by Sunday, again, the GFS takes that disturbance eastward more quickly. So really on Sunday, if the GFS is right, there'll only be an isolated shower here and there. Most spots will remain dry. It'll be a bit cooler and less humid behind that disturbance. But if the Euro is right, it's a totally different ballgame. In fact, that disturbance is now just getting into the Commonwealth on Sunday, so showers and thunderstorms will be most widespread on Sunday if the European model is right. It also shows a tropical entity off the coast of the southeastern states, so we'll just have to wait and see exactly how all this plays out, like I said. But for now, pretty typical of early August. Any of these storms that become frisky during the afternoon and evening hours could produce locally heavy downpours and wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour. I don't want to say whether or not there will be severe weather around any of these days, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday just yet, but that'll all depend on the timing of each disturbance and the exact location of where those disturbances track. If most of the energy tracks into southeastern Canada and New England, the severe weather threat should stay north of Pennsylvania. But if these disturbances, like the Euro suggests, tracks directly over the state, then there could be a threat for severe weather on one or multiple of the days from Friday through Sunday. So just stay tuned to MU Weather on Twitter and check back for my special weather discussion tomorrow. But for now, the Medium Range Campus Weather Service forecast looks like partly sunny, hot and humid on Thursday, high 94. Clouds and sun, hot and humid again Friday with scattered showers and thunderstorms, high 90. Clouds and sun, hot and humid on Saturday with a chance of showers and thunderstorms, high 90. And again on Sunday, partly sunny, rather hot and humid with a chance of showers and thunderstorms, highs in the upper 80s to low 90s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast. Tune back in next Monday for the latest edition. Until then, stay cool, stay hydrated, and keep an umbrella handy out there this weekend with the chance of showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. But again, I still wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans. These storms will be hit or miss, and you might just have to move them inside for a few hours. Hence is the norm for the dog days of August.